everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. I am blessed, and I hope everyone else is blessed. And today, I'm getting ready to do a what is it? A collaboration.
You're doing a collaboration.
I'm doing a collaboration. So,
hello everyone, and we are doing a collaboration with Southern Flavored Kitchen, and we're each doing our version of.
Let's make some Southern style green beans. The full video and recipe will be on my YouTube channel called The Southern Flavor Kitchen. Hey, if you decide to come over, please watch the full video, like, and comment on the video.
Green beans.
okay, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is blessed. I am blessed, and I hope everyone else is blessed. And so I'm getting ready to do commemoration with another Southern flavored kitchen. Southern flavored kitchen. Okay.
Well, she's doing collaboration, and they're each doing their version of green beans.
So all right. So I have 3 cans of green beans right now, and I'm going to be. And I've already started with my turkey leg, and it's already just about getting ready. And as soon as that, then I'm going to be pouring in the can of string beans. And I'll also have already put in just a little bit of my ingredients. So I'm going to pour in the can of string beans, the 3 cans I have. Okay. I've already pulled the water off of them. And this is my own broth. I made this broth out of the turkey leg. So I'm going to I wanted to save some of it. And I was intended to take some of it out to save it. So hold on just a minute. Okay. I'm going to cut a little bit of the honey out, the meat off of the turkey leg.
She'll be back once she cut it, y'all. Y'all see her cutting. She'll be right back.
Now, I'm going to pour into my, I have a tablespoon of bouillon, chicken bouillon in here. I'll go into the beans right now. Okay. Now, okay. Now I'm going to be putting in my bell peppers and onions. Okay.
Okay, y'all. She's going to let that cook, and then we'll be back for the start of the casserole. Green bean casserole. We'll be back.
My garlic powder and onion powder. A tablespoon of each one of them. So I got it combined. About a tablespoon of complete also. So that's what it looks. I'll pour that in there. Okay. Alright, I'm stirring it up. Then I'm going to put the meat back in. And so. Turn it around. Okay. 2 tablespoons of honey, and then I'll be ready to pour it in the pan. It's a heaping tablespoon, so you can put a little less or put more if you like, whatever. Okay. All right, so now this is it. Now I'm ready to pour it in the pan, and I'll be putting the rest of my ingredients in there. And I will be putting it in the oven for about 35, 40 minutes. All right, I'm pouring it in the pan. Now, okay, put the pan out of the way here. And then, okay. Okay, now I'll put my crispy fried onions on top. I have all my crispy fried. I put them all in one area, so I don't have them in the. I guess not. Okay. All right.
Tell them how long they're gonna be in the oven. Ready. Tell them how long it's gonna be in the oven.
Okay, they will be in the oven at about 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I can pour just a little bit of more broth on it.
All right, y'all. We'll be back.
I'm back with my green bean casserole. And it's ready to go. But we will not be tasting or anything because I'm going to put it in the freezer after it gets cool. This will be for one of our side orders for the Thanksgiving meal next week. But I wanted you to see how I made it and everything. So if you need to do any more, you can add more to it. But there's 3 cans of beans here. And there's about a cup and a half of onions. And then I think I have cut up onions, bell peppers, sweet peppers, bell peppers, and onions also in there. And 1 can of mushroom soup is stirred up in there also. So and then I have 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, if you don't want to put the honey in, you don't have to. But that does work with the string bean casserole that I'm fixing today. So I hope you will all enjoy it. And if you also want to, the last day, you can also put cheese on top if you like. But now if you don't have to. And I'm not going to put any on it because we're going to put it once it gets cooled off, it's going to go to the freezer until next Thursday. So thank you so much. And with all my love, 2025, one of my side dish, is one of my side dishes for our Thanksgiving dinner. And I hope you all will take a chance on trying it because it's very good. But we are not going to be doing it until next week. Thank you so much for all my love. For Miss Lena's Kitchen. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much. Goodbye now. We'll see you.